The difference is that P5 is probably easier for beginner coders. So you can actually use P5 to teach people how to code who'd never seen a program before, let alone JavaScript. It makes some decisions to make it easy for novices that actually can make it a little bit annoying for non-novices, for non-beginner coders. Also, I'm not totally sure this is definitely true. It does seem to be true that it's harder to do advanced graphics in it compared with some of the other libraries, and in particular with 3JS. So if we look at 3JS, 3JS is definitely a tiny bit more intimidating when you're starting out, but it's the kind of library that makes a lot of sense to an experienced coder, and it does really nice advanced graphics. So when you look at the site of the really advanced graphics, the 3D stuff with shadows and lighting and physics and everything, it's all 3JS, it's not P5. So you can make your own decisions, but one of the things you have to do is that if you're copying any existing world that's on the site, you have to go with what they're doing. So if we look at this one, Super Mario World, that's using 3JS. So you've just got to go with 3JS if you're going to make modifications to that world, if you're going to copy it into your own version and make changes to it. So in the How to Code with P5, it says there's a number of steps you can go through, but the number one step is to do the starter tutorial. And what the starter tutorial will be doing is making different modifications to a basic starter world. The starter world is not too exciting. And if you lose your way and you can't find all these, they're all up here in the menu in Learn, where it says How to Code P5, P5 starter tutorial. So the first three there have you ready to go. So in the next section, we're going to go into the P5 starter tutorial and we're going to start coding.